I'll show you how you can export your cameras into PDF. So for example, here I have a camera. It's a PowerPoint presentation about the art of side hustle, the side hustle revolution, the rise of side hustle economy, all of these things. If you want to go ahead and export it to PDF, you can tap on this button, share. And then on share, you can go ahead and go to the export version here. And then on the export version here, you can see there's a couple of options. We can download it too. Of course, we want to export to PDF. And you can see your PDF is being generated. It's safe to close the share panel. So you can see right now, it'll say it's exporting PDF. It might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how long or how big your PowerPoint presentation or your camera is. If it's 50 pages long, of course, it'll take a while, but for me, it's only taking a couple of bits. And then you can see right now, the PDF has been downloaded and the Art of Side Hustle is now on here. You can see right now, all of these are done. You can see it, right? And that's it. That's how you export your camera into PDF.